what's up? It's me, Cheryl. Welcome back to my vlog, and I'm so sorry. Medyo matagal tayo na hindi nakapag-vlog. Anyway, so for today's vlog, I just want to show you guys yung mag-unpack tayo ng refrigerator. Nag-ano kami ng bagong refrigerator. Yung brand niya is LG, tapos French door siya. So ano pala guys, hindi ko na napakita yung kasi naging busy nga, saka excited sa pag-open, kaya pag-unbox, kaya hindi ko na pero napicturean ko lang siya yung buong box. Anyway, so i-ano na natin yung mga kalat. Tatanggalin natin yung mga plastic, guys. Ay, naku, laki ng bilbil. Manual niya. Binili pala namin tong hindi to advertisement ha. This is not advertisement, but we bought this fridge on Harvey Norman's. And kasi may sila, they have promo. So that's why we put it from there. I think I will just leave some plastic. I don't know what's this. I want to take this off and check. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this is like this is free inside LG water filter. That's very cool. So they have this one, but I think after we use this one, we need to buy another one. But it's an old version. So ito pala guys, ipakita ko sa inyo yung sa loob ng LG na fridge. Ito yun siya. Oh, may plastic pa pala. Ito naman lang yung tinanggal in Okay. So guys, ito yung loob ng fridge. Ano ba gaya Dalhin natin yan. Okay. Ano siya guys? Ganyan siya. Charot. Ganyan. Yung kulay pala na pinili namin. namin ha. Kasi hindi naman, Diyos ko, ano ba to? Basta ang pinili namin is, siya, black stainless. Kasi, pag, after na renovation, yung mga appliances namin is, maging, siya, black. Like, matte black or something like that. Anyway, so I will show you inside. So, yan siya. French door to ha. Ganyan siya. Tapos, ang gusto ko kasi nito, kaya ako to pinili. Kasi yung, ano siya, malapad. Yung sobrang laki ng space niya, dyan. Tapos, alam mo kung ano pang bonus? Ito. Yan. Kasi pwede siya ilagay mo dyan. Pwede mo siya lagyan ng yung mainit. Yung, for example, magawa ka ng leche plan. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan sa loob. Ayan, para malamig. Something. Tapos ito, marami kasi siyang, ano din siya, storage. So, bali, tatlong ano siya. Tatlong floor, kumbaga. Dito namin ilalagay yung milk at saka yung juice. And, ano din siya, guys. I want to show you. Alam mo, di ba ano siya? French door siya, ganyan. Pwede mo siya buksan dito. O may button siya dito sa baba. Click mo lang siya. And, tadan! You can open it like that. Na no need na ibukas mo siya yung buong pinto. Kumbaga, in the morning, if you want to drink coffee, tea or coffee, or if you want to get a butter or egg, you can just like, open this door, and you don't need to open the whole thing. So you can just get it here. So this is door indoor. Okay, door indoor na LG. Tapos ang nakakaganda kasi nito is maganda yung warranty niya. And let's go, and this one as well, because we like to drink cold water, especially in summertime. Kaya pinili namin to, yung may filter na ganyan. Anyway, and then this one, dalawa yung ano niya, yung freezer niya. Pinili ko, kaya ko din to pinili, kasi marami siyang space na malalagyan. Ito, kumbaga, meat dyan, tapos frozen vegetables dito, and ice cream, and kung ano-ano dyan, mga chorba, chuchu. Yan. So, ito yung ano guys, ito yung LG French door indoor na fridge na binili namin. Okay. Now it's time to clean up the mess na. Okay, now it's time to clean up the mess na, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Oh my god, chaka-chaka mo guys. And thank you so much for watching my vlog. Please thumbs up and subscribe and comment, guys, if you have any question. And also, kasi ang dami kami yan, makalat is real talaga sa mag-unpacking. Sobrang talaga, makalat. At saka, need ko pa siya ibalik yung mga churba-chuchu namin dito dito sa bagong freezer. Need ko siya ilagay. Kasi yung lumang freezer, binigay namin. Okay guys, ingat kayo lagi lahat dyan. At see you next time to my next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless.